What is the simplest way to save money on AWS? Switch to Graviton based instances for your AWS managed services. What are those services? Like Aurora, RDS, MemoryDB, Elasticache, OpenSearch, EMR, Lambda. Graviton-based instances are available for all of these services. Let's do a comparison. If you're using Aurora PostgreSQL and you compare nearly same-sized instances like DB R6G.4x large, it costs you 2.076 per hour, and R5 4x large costs you 2.32. It's a per hour difference of only 0.244 USD, right? But think about a calculation. If you have 50 instances running in your organization, let's say just for 12 hours a day and for 220 days in a year, it saves you $32,000 without doing much effort. So the biggest benefit is you don't need to worry about any feature compatibility or performance degradation. You can just go ahead and make this change. All you need to do is change the instance type and reboot your RDS.